Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear students. I hope everybody is now well and good and staying at home for the safety of coronavirus. And we know that our school is off now. And for this situation, now I am teaching you about ICT subject. My subject is ICT for class 9 and 10. And today I want to teach how we can use type tool and character palette with Adobe Illustrator. For this, we first open the Adobe Illustrator. Just we press the start button, a menu will be appear, then we click Adobe Illustrator software. It will be open, just wait. Okay, it is open now. We can see here a blank situation, and at the left button, left side of the screen, we can see the tool palettes, and the right many group palette, and here we can select a file. How we can use type tool. For this, at first we want to create a file, and for this we click the mouse pointer on the file menu, then we select new. A dialog box will be appear. We can see here we can give the any name. Just I want to give the file name Bangladesh, BANG Bangladesh. Okay. Then you can select the size. Our standard size is A4, and you can select also unit such point, picas, inch, millimeter, centimeter. I am just here using inch. And the right two box width and height, you can see the measurement. Now we can click OK box. We can see a black boundary box. It is our file, and it is our text area. We can see the black boundary line, and here now we can type. So if we want to type anything, we must be select type tool. Everybody can see here T character shown type tool. So it is the sixth tool of tool palette, and third from right palette. Just we can click the type tool T. Just you can see a I-beam sign. Now you can click on the background. A cursor will be appear. I am just increasing the size for see the student. We can see. Now we can type Bangladesh, B-A-N-G, sorry, B-L-A-D-E-S-S. Just this type, we can write anything. And if we click on the selection tool, a boundary box will be appear. Then by pressing on the text and dragging, you can move it where you want to move it, and you can change the text size by pressing the small square box. Just you can see on the screen, I am changing it. Okay, and if we want to write something into a rectangle box, it will also be possible. If we want to write anything with a rectangle box, we must be select a rectangle. Just click on the rectangle tool and just press the pointer and drag. A small bound rectangle will be appear. You can see the background is full of black color. There is no problem. Now we can click again the text tool and select area type tool. Okay, click on area type tool, then we can press the upper left corner of the rectangle. You can see here also a cursor blinking. Just here I am writing my name, Atik, 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 Atik. You can see here that the text never gone out from the rectangle. They are all staying inside the rectangle. Just I am now copy the whole text, and now I want to paste it. Just see that they are staying inside the rectangle. Okay, and if we want to write anything without rectangle, if we want to write anything inside a polygon, we can select again rectangle tools and select the polygon tool. Just drag. We can see that a polygon is appear, and for move the polygon, just click on the selection tool and put it on the polygon and just drag it. Okay, now we want to text again inside the polygon, so we select again the area tool. Okay, and click on the inside the boundary box. Just now we can write anything. And we can see that the text never go out the polygon. It always trying to keep inside the polygon. Thus we can use text using area tool. And from now, if you want, you can also change any text by using character palette. Here I can move it, character palette. If you want to change the text of Bangladesh, as first you must be select by clicking the selection tool and click on the text. A boundary box will be appear, and now you can change it text, also size by selecting font size. Okay, and you can also click the upper arrow by increasing and lower arrow for decreasing, and thus we can use it. And now I am want to text anything boundary line. Okay, and for this we must be select a polygon rectangle tool. Just here I want to select a ellipse tool. I am now drawing a ellipse. Okay, and now I want to write something at the boundary line. So I must be select again the text tool and select the path type tool. Okay, and now you can press the boundary line, and you can see the small a little square box of 4 around the circle. Just you can click any square box, a cursor will be appear. And now if you want, you can write, the text will be at the boundary line. Just I am writing mango, apple, orange, banana, olive, and we can say that tree. We can see here that all are writing in the boundary, and you can change its color also by selecting the text. You can click here, there are lots of color here. You can select any color, the text will be change of that color, and thus we can write text in normal condition inside a rectangle, star or ellipse, or we can use boundary line, text on the boundary line. Thank you everyone.